Hello, everybody. I am teacher Avril, and this is lesson 139 for P4 IT English. Today, I am at the school with other teachers to prepare games and activities to play together on Monday. This is why today's lesson is this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Monday. For now, let's review always, sometimes, and never. Okay. So here is a special tool to measure how many times we do something. If the level on the tool, if this level is on the left, that means we don't do it many times, not many times, minus, not many times. If the level is on the right, that means we do it many, many times. For example, on the left, we could say, I don't lie many times, but I brush my teeth many times. We have special words to say many times or not many times. So let's put them on the tool, on this gauge. Let's put them here. When we do many times, but not all the times, how do we say? Do we say always, never, or sometimes? We say sometimes. It doesn't have to be exactly 50%. It can be 60% or 40%. It doesn't have to be exactly in the middle. It can be somewhere around the middle. Sometimes. Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. Sometimes. Good. Now, if we do it many, many times, all the times, how do we say that? Do we say always or never? We say always. If it's all the time, it's always. You can use this to remember easily. All the time starts with all, like always. You can remember using this sound. All the time, always, all. Good. And how about if it's 0 times, no times? We say never, okay? So 0%, we say never. 100%, we say always. And in the middle, we say sometimes. Let's say these words together. Are you ready? Let's say never first. 3, 2, 1. Never. Good. Now let's say sometimes. 3, 2, 1. Sometimes. Now let's say always. 3, 2, 1. Always. Good. Let's use those words to complete the sentences. Look at the picture. He is a good student. He does his homework. If he is a good student, does he do his homework? Yes or no? Yes. If he is a good student, he does. And so is it always, sometimes, or never? If he is a good student, he always does his homework. Have you been to India? No, I have been. If we want to say no 0 times, do we say always, sometimes, or never? To say 0 times, we say never. Let's read the sentence together. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Have you been to India? No, I have never been. Let's look at this picture. Is this a boy or a girl? A girl. And she is with a young or an old person? An old person. So what is she doing? Is she helping the old person? Yes, she is helping the old person cross the road. Is that nice or not nice? That's very nice. So we can say, she is very kind. She helps older people. Can we say never? She never helps other people. No, we can't say that because it's not kind at all. If you never help, that's not nice. But she is nice. She is kind. Can we say sometimes? Yes, we could. But which one is better, sometimes or always? If you're very kind, if you're very, very kind. Is it sometimes or always? That's right. It's always. Let's read the sentence together. 3, 2, 1. She is very kind. She always helps older people. Good. Now let's look at the kids. What are they doing? What is he playing? Football. What is she playing? Basketball. And what is the last girl doing? Yeah, she's playing tennis. Good job. So here there are 3 missing words. It's always the same word. We play football, basketball, and tennis. Can we say always we play football, always basketball, always tennis? No, we can't say that because we can't do different things 100% of the time. If we do different things, that means we're sharing our time. We're taking a bit of time for football, a bit of time for basketball, and a bit of time for tennis, right? So can we say never we play football, never basketball, never tennis? No, for the same reason. If we wanted to say never, we would say we never play football, basketball, or tennis. So here, what is the missing word? It's sometimes. Good job. Let's read this sentence together. 3, 2, 1. Sometimes we play football. Sometimes basketball. Sometimes tennis. That means part of the time we play football. Other times, other parts, we play basketball. And the rest of the time, we play tennis. Look here. Somebody ate some of the cake. Is the mother happy or not happy? She's not happy. She's asking, who did this? He's raising his hand. I did this, even though he knows it wasn't very good. So is he lying or is he telling the truth? He's telling the truth. So let's read the sentence. You can trust him. He lies. Can you trust someone who always lies? No, you can't trust somebody who always lies. Can you trust somebody who sometimes lies? You can trust them a little bit. And can you trust somebody who never lies? Who never lies? Yes, you can trust somebody who never lies. Let's read this sentence together. 3, 2, 1. You can trust him. He never lies. Good job. Let's do one more. Look at the kid. He's thinking, what is this here? To play video games. And what about here? To play football. So, I want to play video games. I prefer footballs. So, does he always want to play video games and always prefer football? No, we can't say that because he can't be 100% playing games and 100% playing football. We can't say that. Can we say, never I want to play football? Sorry, never I want to play video games. Never I prefer football. No, that's weird. We don't say that either. So what's the answer? The missing word is sometimes. Let's read the sentence together. 3, 2, 1. Sometimes I want to play video games. Sometimes I prefer football. That means 50% he wants to play video games and 50% he wants to play football. It depends. Half video games, half football. Okay, now let's check we understand with a quiz. Teacher Ice will send you a link to a quiz that you can play on WordWall. Let's have a look. To play this quiz, you have to look at the pictures here. There are 4 people. Katie, Billy, Ben, and Jenny. This, when you have 2 ticks, means always. They always play something. When there is 1 tick, that means sometimes. And when there's a cross, it means never. So let's read some together. If we look at this part, we can say that Katie always plays, what is this? Is this football? No, it's not football, it's basketball. So Katie always plays basketball. What about this one? Billy sometimes plays basketball. And how about this one? Ben never plays tennis. Okay? So, step 1, read the question. Who never plays tennis? Let's see. Never is here. So who never plays tennis? Katie never plays tennis. And Ben never plays tennis. So we can look at just Katie and Ben. Oh, because we know they never play tennis. Who never plays tennis and always plays football. Does Katie always play football? No, she always plays basketball. So Is it Katie? No, it's not Katie either. The right answer is Ben. Yay, we get 1 point. Now, let's do one more together. Who sometimes plays football? Let's see. Sometimes play football, Katie and Jenny. And never plays tennis. Never plays tennis, Katie and Ben. So who sometimes plays football and never plays tennis? Katie, Billy, Ben, or Jenny? It's Katie. Good job. Now, this is the end of the video. I want you to open the link that Teacher Ice sent you online. Open the link and play the game. Teacher Ice and I will look at your scores and we will give you points. You will get some points if you play, and you will get extra points if you're in the top 3. Okay? So, good luck. Try your best. I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye, everybody. Have a good weekend.